Hi guys, my name is Mr. Enroll and I'm the founder of Scepter Outsourcing and US Accounting Coach, and I'm the tutor, and I have more than 14 years of experience in US accounting. In just 2.5 months, I have more than 60 candidates. Out of them, 20% are chartered accountant or intermediate to whom I'm providing training. Training for US accounting, where I'm covering chart of accounts, customer center, vendor center, then 350 e-commerce related transaction, which includes but not limited to deferred revenue, prepaid, accruals. Also, I'm explaining how to become a bookkeeper, become an accountant or reviewer, or how to become accounts officer. Do you have enough experience, or maybe just a concept is clear about debits and credit, and that's my assurance that I can make you at least account officer in just 3 months. In that 3 months, 2 months are one-on-one training and 1 month is revision. In my transaction, those 350 transactions, I'm providing training for that depreciation, payroll, sales tax, then deferred revenue schedules, how to make it. And top of that, I have so many automations which you can implement in QuickBooks, QBO. So basically, we are using QuickBooks Online software to learn US accounting. Just like Tally in India, we have QuickBooks for US, and so there are more and more clients are using QuickBooks software, and we are providing, not we, but actually Intuit company, the US-based company, providing in QBO software free of cost to the candidates who are accountant, so that whenever they get new clients, so clients assign their access to the accountant, and that's the reason accountants are getting their copy at free of cost. So there is no charge for QBO software, and the validity is a lifetime. So using that software, you can do practice as well. So in your cell, also we have flexible batch timing, starting from 7 to 8:30, 9 to 10:30 a.m., then 12:30 to 2, and 4:30 to 6. Then the last batch is 9 to 10:30. So whatever your job time or whatever time zone you are working, you can easily manage the 1.5 hour or up to 2 hours training. And we are scheduling that training Monday to Friday. And also after the training session, we providing the live classes recording also. And let me clear, this is one-on-one session or a group session, you can say. We are not providing only recorded classes. This is a one-on-one session where we are discussing each and every transactions and providing solution for them. And the base thing is, whatever the transaction is, we go with in depth, where we recognize how to record the transaction with the JV, how to make the journal entry, like just like if you go with the customer center, so invoice is there, invoice payment is there, credit memo is there, sales receipt, refund receipt, credit memo, quotation, estimate, sales order, all are related transactions we are explaining in depth. When we go with the vendor center, so bill payment, debit notes or vendor credit or check or expense, how to record credit card transaction, we are also including in our training session. So for we can say in terms of reconciliation, we are considering bank account reconciliation, credit card reconciliation, and if you go with the finalization, so we cover each and everything, like how to review balance sheet items. For the balance sheet item, each and every line item of balance sheet we are reconciling, starting from bank account, then account receivable, then any fixed assets, their depreciation, how we tangible assets or intangible assets. So we are doing all the things. After that, if we go with the current liabilities, where we do reconciliation of AP aging analysis, just like AR aging analysis, we do AP aging analysis also. And after that, credit card, any notes payable or any loans or any liability for the sales tax or payrolls. So we are reconciling each and every line item of balance sheet, as well as we do the same work for profit and loss also, where we check our income account, our direct expenses, what is the ratio of direct expenses, and what is the consistency issue of that also, in order to verify the financials. So how to review financial? how to run financial month-wise, how to customize reports in a QuickBooks file. We are providing all those training. So once you have this training, you can easily apply for accounts officer or account manager job. If you are BCom, MCom, MBA, CA, Inter CA, so this course is perfect for you to get entry into the US accounting. And about the salary, you can get minimum 2 to 3 times salary compared to Indian. In India, if you are BCom or graduate or MBA student, so you will have 8,000, 10,000 or max 15,000 salary. But if you go with the training, so after the training you can easily avail minimum 3 LPA package. That means 2 lakh per annum. So that's a 25,000 per month. So that's all. These are the things. So if you have any further question or query, you can get in touch with us with the below given numbers. Okay. So thank you. Bye.